Hi, welcome aboard the 345 Conquest. Matt Lucci from MarineMax Long Island. This is the sport version. It has canvas up in the top part of the windshield. It doesn't have the glass that goes all the way up. We have a huge spacious cockpit here. It's an 11-4 beam boat and it holds 400 gallons of fuel. You can travel anywhere with this boat. We packaged this particular boat with a pair of triple 300s. They're the new V8s. Very fuel efficient. This particular boat is equipped with the port side seat, grill, and as you come up, twin refrigerators, cockpit air conditioning and heat, full electronics package, dual screens, and an extremely spacious cabin that'll sleep six real comfortable. Stand-up head, and a really nice aft cabin that an adult can get in, actually stretch out. Thank you for coming aboard the 345 Conquest.